the inherent dream of the Internet of Things, as imagined today, is to be a tool or a servant that helps its users reduce complexity, to cope with this massive influx of information in modern life, and thus to help us make decisions, or take care of decisions for us, rather. And the way that it's supposed to do this is, of course, by using even more massive amounts of information and complexity to do that. So one could categorize this as a very techno-optimistic approach. We use the very technologies that are the problem in order to make life easier. There are, of course, other approaches one could take in order to do this, and we have a lot of historical precedents also for how people have tried to resist or influence technological change. One very relevant example is the Luddites. They were a movement of workers at the very beginning of the 1800s who started destroying machines in the factories, in the textile industry, particularly where they worked, because they feared that these new technologies, these new machines that came in, destroyed and threatened their work. Now, today, of course, the concept, people have forgotten about the Luddites, except that the concept still lives on as a way of describing someone who is skeptical about or resists technological progress. Now, the question is, if the Luddites of the 1800s destroyed machines to resist technological progress, what are the Luddites of the future supposed to destroy in order to resist the coming of the Internet of Things, if everything is part of the Internet of Things, if whole society is the problem?